when we let go of being so tethered to the conditioned stories, the old experiences, and even our own emotions and thoughts, as we rise and begin to make space for the more that we are all connected to, we understand that our love, which is the root of all of our life here, is love, is what lasts. And there's an always there. Now, this sweater I'm wearing will not always last. This chair, sofa I'm sitting in will not always last. What lasts is the love. And instead of thinking as someone that we love as gone and using words like gone and lost and it's over, we need to replace that with the and. There's more. And there's been a shift to another realm beyond what we can see. My dog just did a nice long pause there. There's a shift, a transforming, a transcendence into a realm that those of us right here on planet Earth, where we are so tied to what we can see, and there's also a dense energy all around us here, it's difficult for us to make space and to comprehend that love is eternal and lasts and continues and is always